Alright guys, well I'm starting a little build series on my Prelude here. It's been in storage for a couple years now because I moved states. I'm back in my home state right now, and we just got the car out. So it's here at my buddy's to get some fabrication work done. He's got his own little business here. Diamond Fab. Check him out. He does some pretty legit stuff. He makes some custom intake manifolds for Cobalts and some other stuff. But yeah, going B20 A5 turbo, and we all sorts of parts laid out here. He's going to move his out of the way here in a moment, and then we're about to do some teardown on it and get ready. Alright, she's ready to go under the knife. About to take the bumper off and get the exhaust out. Got the True Bends 3-inch stainless mandrel bent kit with some vibrant mufflers and resonators and stuff. And so the current goal is to get the exhaust system done. We're going to pull the bumper off to do intercooler piping and such. I realize I'm probably going to end up ordering another intercooler. But yeah, we'll keep you some progress along the way.
You gotta push it a little bit, remember? Oh, your lander.
Yeah, where's it in there?
You find it? You find them?
They're in the car.
Oh. Really loud, dude.
Alright guys, well, I just got back from my buddies. Things didn't really quite go to plan. I mean, they didn't not go to plan, but I forgot some things. I bought the bumper beam replacement that Sean One Fun Ride had offered at one point in time. I don't know if he still does. But yeah, I left that 4 or 5 hours away drive time, so here in about 2 weeks I'm going to go back. I'm going to take that with him to him. And I'd also forgot my tile blow-off valve that I bought for the car, so that's sitting there too. So next time I come back, we're gonna do that. And I had an intercooler that came with the kit I got from Lynn, who had sold me this kit that Aaron Weir put together back in the day, and I'm not sure that I want to go with the one they brought because it could be a power restrictor, because I'm looking to actually push almost I want to go for 400 horsepower roughly. So I think the next step is I'm gonna go back to him with the bumper beam replacement. We're gonna measure out what'll fit for an intercooler, and then I'll order one, and that'll get him on the charge piping side of things. We did get the exhaust all off today, so he can feel free to go ahead and start doing that. He may start doing the valve cover. I'm gonna have it put bungs on for a catch can, and I think because of our hood clearance issues, what I'm gonna do is have him put in one small pie cut to angle the fittings. I saw one guy had done something where he used really short fittings, and I kind of want to do I kind of want to use the more traditional fittings for some different color options. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that, where he's just going to put a little pie cut off of a B20 valve cover and angle the fittings down so I'll have hood clearance. And then he may go ahead and throw a bung on the oil pan as well before the next time I see him. But that's kind of where it stands for now. I've never done this before. I might throw one other update to go in with this video, but that's kind of it for now, guys.